This is the year to come back to the Father.
Praise God.
This is the year to come back to the Father and let Him put new shoes on you. Hallelujah.
Amen.
He says, bring a ring. Hallelujah. And bring shoes. Bring a robe. Put on the shoes. Hallelujah.
Yes. Hallelujah.
You know what? When He puts shoes on you, He changes your identity. Hallelujah. Your identity is no longer that of a servant or no longer of a vagrant, no longer somebody who's looking. When someone puts shoes on you, you are a son.
Yes. Hallelujah.
You are a daughter.
Hallelujah.
Yes. Hallelujah.
You are the
Amen.
righteousness of God.
Righteousness of
Amen.
Christ.
Thank you,
Hallelujah.
Yes.
Amen. Praise
So if
God.
that's you today, if you and I have allowed 2017 to get our shoes taken away from us, I pray that in 2018 you come back to the
Hallelujah.
Father.
Thank you,
You
Jesus.
don't have to go back to a church. You don't have to go back to anyone. You can go straight to the Father.
Yes.
And He will
Hallelujah.
give.
Thank you,
He
Lord.
will make you a son again. He will
Thank
make
you,
you a
Jesus.
daughter again.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Thank you, Jesus.
And let
Hallelujah.
Him
Thank you.
put on the right pair of shoes for you today.
Hallelujah.
Find your calling. Find
Thank
your
you, Holy
place.
Spirit. Hallelujah.
Find what God has gifted you and go and do that.
Hallelujah.
And you will see what God has for you this year.
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Thank
So
you,
may the Lord
Jesus.
bless and keep you. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Amen.